do I look like, first of all? What?
Stop the fire dog lives in the firehouse.
What do I
and
look
sleeps
like?
by the firefighter.
Because
Big
she's
rubber
gonna,
boots.
she's gonna video this shit.
Their black jackets with yellow stripes hang on hooks next to their helmets, while the big red fire truck waits downstairs. The firefighters might be stirring a pot of spaghetti, reading a book, or playing catch with that, or having sex.
That's all.
Did you just say sex?
Kirby, did you text him? No.
Ring! Everyone stops. Now they move fast.
Get away
On
from
their
me!
big rubber boots and their
I
jackets.
can't hear.
Don't forget your helmets, you. You too, Dad.
Who's Arnold? That'd be Brooke.
That's violence. I give up.
She texted you.
Are you laughing at me?
Arnold!
I want to know.
Okay, let's watch.